Tungod yun ni sa post ako ang friend si Mosang mao nang nakadecide ko na magpa-head spa sa isa sa pinaka-nice na wellness center sa Davao City. Let me tell you all about my experience. Hello again guys! So for today's episode, uban ako ninyo sa White Gold Beauty and Wellness. It is located sa Lopez Haina Street, Davao City and naa siya sa second floor ani na building. Dililisod pangitaon ng place guys and searchable lang gyapon siya via Google Maps. When I entered the place, I did not expect it to be this nice guys. True to its name, good siya white and gold ang majority sa iyahang color scheme. Every corner is just aesthetically pleasing to the eye. This is their list of services guys. Feel free to pause it na lang. And for today, I decided to get the ultimate relaxation head spa for 999 pesos. Naa na siya ipakapin na whole body massage whereas katong traditional kay selected areas lang ang naay massage. Gamay lang kay ang difference guys. That's why ang ultimate na akong gikuha. This is Miss Elaine and she will be my attendant for today. Did you know guys na daghan kayog benefits if magpa-head spa mo? And these are just some of the benefits. It helps cleanse the spa and also promotes hair growth. Over time, it minimizes hair fall and overall maintains the health of the scalp. And aside from the head spa guys, kay naapoy pakapin ni siya na whole body massage as I mentioned earlier in this video. This one really helps in relieving stress and anxiety guys. Since naa na lang man pud ko diri guys, I decided na magpa-add on og scalp treatment na tag 150 pesos. And aside from that, nagpadagdag na lang pud ko og facial scrub with mask and massage for 550 pesos. Para aside sa head spa, kay appeal na lang pud og facial. O diba kani palang ultimate pamper sesh na kaayo siya. Miss Elaine just let the mask soak sa ako ang face while gina-rinse ang ako ang hair. And to top it all off, nagpa-add on pud ko og hair mask for 250 pesos. This is for additional protection lang pud sa ako ang hair guys. After all the shampooing, the cleansing, and the conditioner and others, kay it's time to dry my hair. Again guys, part of the package is a whole body massage which is wala na nako na videohan guys kay grabe na ang ako ang relax ana. Ang ending aning pamper sesh day guys, kigibutangan ko sa ilahang very own na sunscreen na product. Grabe ka nice sa sunscreen guys. Actually, it's for sale pero nahutdan lang ko so sayang kaayo. And I am finally done you guys. More or less, naapod sa 1 hour and 30 minutes ang whole entire sesh. And tanawa si Disc of Davao guys, perting lipaya and relax. Kaya guys, I totally recommend getting a head spa here sa White Gold. Anyway guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye!